that a lot you've been talking about, and that is that there are other people involved in your investigation. One of them would probably be the medical aspects of your investigations. Can you talk a little bit about experts that you use or people that treat people that are your clients, and how medical evidence is used in a normal trial?
Well, let me just start off by saying that we do use medical people quite often, and they're quite expensive. I say that because I'm going to ask you, Steve, what does the average doctor cost if you want to subpoena him in or ask him to testify at a trial?
Well, if there is a difference between the doctor testifying via a deposition, which is done usually characteristically at his office, versus his coming into court. Obviously, it's more expensive when he comes into court, and their charges reflect that.
Steve, what's a deposition?
Okay. A deposition, there's two types that are really important. One is called a discovery deposition, and the other one is an evidentiary deposition.
And those are where people just ask questions, and the person who's coming in there answers the questions.
The lawyers ask questions depending upon who is taking the deposition versus giving it. They ask questions of a particular witness, either the plaintiff, defendant, or somebody else. A court reporter takes down all the testimony, and that testimony can be used in a subsequent trial to impeach if the person varies from that testimony.
Let me give you an example of some questions in an automobile case on a deposition. How far were you from the intersection when you first observed the other vehicle? At the time you first observed the other vehicle, what direction was he or she going? How fast do you estimate their speed to be? What were you doing at the time of the impact? Were you on your cell phone?